Hi, it's Mamaw Gail, and today I'm going to fix a recipe called Elvis Presley Pie. And I seen it on Brandy's video. And the first thing you do, get your graham cracker crust. Now get you 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and put it in the microwave and melt it. Okay, so what you want to do now is to pour some in this. Now I heated this for 30 seconds to melt it. You want to save just a little bit of it for later. Spread it all around in here. And get your banana and just chop it up all over the top of this. I hope this is as good as the way Elvis could sing. Because I used to love Elvis whenever I was growing up. That's what you want to do is get you a block of cream cheese. That's softened cream cheese, by the way. You need to fill it up a little bit. When you get that good and creamy, add your 1 cup of peanut butter. Mix that together. Then you want to add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Here's where the mess comes in at, I bet. We'll mix that up. Okay. Not too bad. Now add your 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. Now just throw in a heaping tablespoon. That's what I call a heaping tablespoon anyway. Of Cool Whip. Just fold that in. Now just spread this over top of the bananas, using about half of it. Now just lay another layer of bananas. Who I was a big fan of Elvis. I'd say just about all of you was. I like peanut butter and banana sandwiches. So this has got to be good. I thought I was going to have to use 2 bananas, but this one banana done it. Spread the rest of this on top of those bananas. Okay, that's just about all there are to it. It's a quick and easy dessert, that's for sure. Now what you want to do is the rest of your Cool Whip, put it on top. Well, I can't put the rest of mine on top because I've got my daughter standing over here with a spoon. And I know what she's going to do, so she's wanting the rest of it. That's the way it is every time I open a Cool Whip around here. It's either her or my granddaughter. Now that little bit you had left over from the beginning, I had to heat it up in the microwave a little bit more. Then all you want to do is just drizzle that all over the top of it. Now I'm just going to put it in the refrigerator for a little while, and then I'll get it out, probably an hour or so. Okay, my pie's ready, and I'm going to give it a try. To be honest, anybody that likes cream cheese in their pie will love this. But if I'd made it like I make my peanut butter pie with vanilla pudding, I like it better. But it'll be good, whether I like it or not. Y'all hungry?